Yeah, fucking oath. Nice. How did it feel, buddy?
Good.
Have you got anything to tell the viewers at home?
Breathe away, eat the mushroom.
Right. And romance the world.
About the world.
Yeah.
Let's hit another one quick.
Okay, let's do it. Nice work. You fucking smashed that, man. That was really good. Yeah, didn't have any concerns about that at all. You look like your movement was sheer poetry, actually.